Hi, I've recently taken delivery from AO.com to review the Hoover condenser tumble dryer. It's called the Infinity and it takes 8 kilograms. It's in black, which is quite sleek colour. It comes with various leaflets. It's rated as a B energy rating. It comes with leaflets if you'd like to insure the appliance. An instruction book which is quite simple to understand, a quick installation guide and user instructions to set it up. It's got a free 10-year parts guarantee that you'll need to activate, and a little booklet for laundry and energy saving tips. This is very handy. So as you can see, it's quite a big drum inside, and if I just go through the features. So if I just explain the dial to you, on the left hand side it's got various sensor programs depending on what you're actually going to be drying. So it has, as you can see, a program for towels, extra dry, cover dry, iron dry, wool, relax, rapid. On the right hand side it's timed drying, so you can just simply refresh your clothes, or it's got down the side various minutes. It's quite handy that it's got a delay start button, so if you're out at work or out during the day, you can program it to start at various intervals, 3 hours, 6 hours and 9 hours. It will tell you when the program's ended by the red button, illuminated red here, it says end. The middle button indicates that it's near to the end and it's just doing the cooling off period. There's a button for delicates, as you can see, and there's 2 buttons here that indicate when the filter needs to be changed and when the water needs to be emptied, although they do recommend that you empty the water after every cycle, as indeed the filter. So I'll just show you the filter. Open the drum here. It's a very spacious drum, so it takes 8 kilograms of clothes. And to remove the filter, which is here, you simply open it up and you remove the excess fluff, and that's recommended after every cycle. You close it up and simply pop it back in there. So we'll just close the drum now. At the bottom of the tumble is where you change the water. So you simply remove the grill panel there, and right at the very bottom you can see the plastic water tank. So you simply lift it out and open up the blue spout, and we'll just empty it now. So once it's emptied, you simply close the blue lid again and insert back into the machine and replace your grill panel like so. So I'll just demonstrate here to dry some clothes. I'll put them in the drum here, and you simply decide what program you'd like. I'll just do a rapid program, which is quite handy, 40 degrees. And we'll press this button here to start. When you first get the machine, it does say that it will be quite noisy for about 20 minutes. If you realise that something is in the machine that shouldn't be, say something's jangling around, you can simply press the pause button, pause it, open the drum, close it, and then continue, and it'll continue where it's left off from. And then you always put the dial back to off to turn it off. All in all, I would recommend this machine. It's a quiet tumble dryer, doesn't make too much noise at all. Condenser is good because you just literally put the water bottle and change that easily. And it takes a lot of clothes and such a variety of different programs, and I think it's good value for money. Okay, thanks very much.